Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WooCommerce dropshipping with Printful detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up WooCommerce dropshipping with Printful, begin by installing WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to Plugins. Click Add New and search for WooCommerce. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure basic store settings. Next, visit the Printful website and create an account. Once logged in, go to the Stores section. Choose Shopify or other platform. Choose WooCommerce from the list of integrations. You'll be provided with installation instructions for the Printful plugin. Return to your WordPress admin dashboard. Again, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Printful. Install and activate the Printful integration for WooCommerce. After activation, navigate to Printful in the left sidebar. Click on Connect your store and follow the prompts. This process might require you to grant permissions for Printful to access your WooCommerce store. Once connected, return to the Printful dashboard. Start by adding product templates to your Printful account. Go to Product Templates and click Add Product. Choose the type of product you want to sell, such as t-shirts or mugs. Customize the product with your designs and details. Set pricing and other options to your liking. Once satisfied with your product, click Submit to Store. Review the product information in WooCommerce and ensure everything is correct. To enable shipping, go back to the WooCommerce settings. Navigate to WooCommerce and then Settings. Click on the Shipping tab and set up shipping zones and rates. Ensure that the Printful shipping options are included in your settings. Next, set up payment options by clicking on the Payments tab in WooCommerce settings. Choose your preferred payment gateways, such as PayPal or Stripe, and configure them. After that, test your store to ensure the purchasing process works smoothly. Visit your store's front end and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and complete a test transaction. Monitor both WooCommerce and Printful dashboards for order confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.